Mother's Day Gift Ideas, Homeopathic Edition, Part 8. Mastitis is not a mom's best friend, but you can offer homeopathic remedies to prevent the use of antibiotics. If the breast is flaming red and really hard, belladonna is your go-to remedy. If it is hard but pale compared to belladonna, you actually want to reach for bryonia. A top remedy for mastitis is phytolacca. That's more if the breast is lumpy. Make sure to let the baby continue to nurse on that breast to drain it and take the remedies as needed. I ended up taking phytolacca the other day, and I think I was done with the lumpiness and kind of soreness in like 24 hours. So very happy to try that one. The other thing about phytolacca is that it is great for teething, a teething remedy as well. So it's amazing how mom and baby have that connection, and might be the remedy for both of them. These remedies are linked over in my bio. Follow for more homeopathy tips.